This question says, which type of gear will be the hardest to paddle for riding uphill? Will it be A, the smallest gear, B, the intermediate-sized gear, or C, the largest gear? Now, any one of these systems, for example, this one in A, can be considered a system of axles and wheels, where this front gear is the axle, and of course this back wheel is the wheel. Now, depending on the radius of the gear, this will have consequences on the rotations per minute, or the RPM, as well as on the torque produced. So this is to say that each of these gears, as a function of their radius, will provide more or less mechanical advantage. And the mechanical advantage in a wheel and axle system is equal to the radius of the wheel divided by the radius of the axle. And now remember, in this system, the size of the gear, the radius of the gear, corresponds to the radius of the axle. The gear is our axle in this example. So in A, where we have the smallest gear, which is to say RA is the lowest, that means mechanical advantage will be the greatest, and therefore in A it will be the easiest for paddle riding uphill. Now C is the other end, which is indeed our correct answer. We have the largest radius in gear C, which means we have the lowest mechanical advantage, and therefore C will be the hardest to paddle for riding uphill.